So for the last shot in this video, what we're going to use is RMS. Just going to do an overhead shot of it. I've got swapped back to the PIKA200 again, just with the reflector and the grill on, just to keep everything tight. Again, I love water droplets on my stuff, so it's quite easy to cheat and just do it yourself. Again, when the light hits them, it's just going to give me a whole different effect on it. And again, make sure you use enough different angles just to give yourself some variations. You don't want to go back and have to do the whole setup again. So again, same with the mode on the lighting, the power of the lighting, and even your own settings on the shutters and aperture. Just change it around until you find what you're liking. So that's the end of this video. I hope it's given you some ideas just to get out in your garden 10 yards from your back doorstep, grab your lighting and shoot something just a little bit different, or make what you normally do different. Please feel free to check out the blog. It's www.colinbrister.co.uk. Also the book that's available on Amazon. It's Light, Shoot and Capture. Plenty of ideas in there, from barn owls to mountain biking to white horses. I hope you've enjoyed it.